Hello ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. This is Shin and you're watching Coffee Shin TV. So today I'm gonna unbox a kettle that I ordered like 2 days ago. Yes, here is Korea. If you order something, it delivers like in 2 days. Maximum like 3 days. Anyway, so here's the box. There we go. And I'm gonna open this up. So here we go. And actually, this is not just a kettle. This is fellow Stagg electric kettle EKG, not the plus though, because I don't use Akaya. I didn't need to buy a plus. So let's open it. Here's my knife. And as always, this address part is gonna be blurred, and this one is fragile. There you go. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, another box. Look at how they packed it. It looks so safe. Bubble wrap. I love it. And I have to use my knife one more time. And here's the tape, and I cut it up. And there you go. So here's the information about the company and the product. The same. I'll just open it. Another box, so great. It's like Russian doll. It's something like that. Oh, there's more information. Oh, great. So what it can do is, so here is saying quick heat time. So I'm gonna compare with my old electric pot, which is this one. I bought it like $15 or something. This one has no problem. I just wanted to have this kind of kettle with the temperature adjustment. Anyway, and this one comparing to this one is like $150 or something. So this one is 10 times more expensive than this one. So I'm not sure this one is 10 times faster to hit the water up, and we'll figure out. Alrighty. This one is the instruction, and this one is feature and brew guide in English, and this one is in Korean. It's all covered by the plastic bag. Is it even plastic though? Anyway, that's it. And this one is the lid. Who actually read this? I don't. There's actually mirrors inside. I'm not sure if you see my face in there. Very nice. And in here, there's the lid, and the color is matte black. And inside this one is stainless and brushed steel. Great. And that's the one. I think this is the reason that the fellow electric kettle is so expensive, because it can adjust the temperature, and it says it has timer, and it also says it can hold the temperature. I'll see if I can do this. All right, this is quite simple, simpler than I expected. It's quite nicely packed. I just put the box back in there. It's new, it's my new toy, baby. Following the instruction, I have to rinse it first. So firstly, I'm gonna use tap water for testing and rinsing as well. All right. And this one is on the back. Here is the hold function as I found it. I just introduced this one first. So here is hold, and here is Celsius. Great. I think it's too short. Definitely too short. And the power cable is too short. Can be a problem. So I had to put the base behind the back. I just wanted to put this one kind of like front here, but apparently I can't do that. Anyway, so this one can boil the water up to 900 millimeters. Just enough for like even 2 to about 4 glasses of pour over coffee. So, and I just peeled the tape off, and there is no refund going on, I guess. Great. And I don't know how to turn this on. And I just gently, no. Oh, so this one can be pushed. Oh, yeah, there we go. So click just shortly once, then it turns on, and the goal temperature is 100 degrees right here. So I just adjust to, oh well, 100 degrees, why not? I try it. It's boiling now. All right. I just wait, and I see how long it will take. $55 Celsius. It seems quite quick. Listen to the boiling sound. Now it's 74 degrees Celsius. Hello, me. And it gets slower when it reaches nearby the 100 degrees. Come on, come on, come on. It's stuck at 98. And let's look inside. And 100. It made 100. Oh my god. Wow, shit. So it's made 100 degrees Celsius and it took about like 6 minutes and a half. So I'm not sure it's that quick. My electric pot, it did the same job, I guess. So anyway, and I just gently take it out. Is it okay? Is it gonna just say hold or? Anyway, I just throw it away. And I'll see what's the minimum temperature for setting. Oh, cool. 40 degrees Celsius is minimum. Even if there is no water, it still heats up. So it can be a bit dangerous. And I'm just wondering how I use the timer. And if I hold it, then it counts down and it starts the timer. And if I press it again, and it goes back to the temperature display. And that's it. It's been the unboxing. And wow, there's no water sign. Yeah, I didn't put water in there. So the display says there's no water. And this is my face. Hello. So, which is really good because there is definitely safety in there. Great. I have been using this Rilak kettle for like 3 years and it seems fine. But what I should do is I have to boil the water from the pot separately and I have to move it. And I have to check the temperature and I have to wait until the temperature is adjusted that I want it. So it takes quite a time, but as long as I have this one, I don't need to wait for the times. Lastly, I'm gonna compare heat power with my old electric pot. All right. So this one is maximum 900 milliliters. So I'm just gonna weigh like 800 grams. Now here is the scale. And take the lid off and tear it again. 800 grams. 817.6. I'm just gonna use 817.6 for this pot. So it's gonna be the same. So alrighty, let's see. 814.9. So it's quite similar. And this kettle should be faster. It's less than 3 grams gap, so I don't think it's gonna be so different. I'm just gonna put this pot on that side and keep this kettle on here and then see which one is gonna boil faster. Okay, there we go, let's start. So I'm generously start this one first, so it's gonna be like 3 seconds gap on there. And there we go. And there we go. And I'll set the fellow at 100 degrees and I'll just wait. Cheers. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The fellow is 37 degrees Celsius and I'm not sure. And this one now is 47. I'll be faster now. 56 degrees Celsius. And it's 70 Celsius. I think it's gonna boil soon. Yeah, it starts to boil real hard. And this one is still stuck at 78. All right, electric pot seems to be much faster. It's not just faster, it's much faster. And that's done. And my kettle, my new fellow kettle is at 84 Celsius. You are the winner. You need some chicken dinner. My fellow is still at 90 degrees Celsius. Okay, still at 99 degrees Celsius. Now it's 100. You said you are fast. The $15 worth of a electric pot is apparently faster, but this one can hold the temperature. So yeah, speed is not important. What is more accurate is important. My $150. I spent $150 for slow electric kettle. But it's okay, I'm cool. So I'm gonna use this like so many times anyway. And look at that, look at that modern looking kettle. It's been the unboxing of the fellow Stagg EKG electric pour-over kettle. And I got the a bit frustrated results, but it's still quite satisfying because I really wanted to get one. It's kind of like beginner's test, so I'm not really sure how good it's gonna be in real use. So I'm just gonna use it for a month or 2 months, and I'm gonna upload another video, and that's gonna be the review video. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and this is Shin. You've been watching Coffee Shin TV. Peace out, yo. Good fun, good fun.